Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this beautiful beanie. It's so simple. You can do that in few hours. Only one ball you need. This is reverse side. Also you can use this side too. And this is front side. I hope you like it. This beanie for an adult. But you can make it child or adult. It's so easy. Only you need multiples of 8 stitches. It's so simple. I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your time and support. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful 3D so simple beanie. Let's start to crochet. I use in my beanie yarn bee soft and sleek love peel fiber. It's 186 yards and it's equal to 170 meters. One ball is 114 grams nearly. They recommend us using 6mm hook. I use 5mm hook on the rib part, 6mm hook on the main part. And its color number is 946 coral. I hope you like this beanie. It's so simple. I want to show you this rib part. We start. I will take my 5mm hook. First of all, make a slip knot. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 1, 11. Then yarn over, skip 2, insert into the third one, and I have 3 loops. Pull through all together, make half double crochet, yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn, pull through 3 of them, yarn over, insert into the next one, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. I use half double crochet. At the end of this row I will have 10 half double crochet. You can increase or decrease your chains, so you can adapt your rib size which you want. I use 5 centimeter for the rib part. Like that I complete 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, and this is 10. Chain 2 and turn my work. Count as my first stitch, and this is my first stitch. Yarn over, insert the second back loop, grab my yarn. I have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over, insert the next one, back loop, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch, back loop, grab my yarn, pull through all together. I use half double crochet. First I will turn chain 2, then make half double crochet using only back loops. When I come to the last stitch, I will show you now. Yarn over, take the both loops together like that. Chain 2 and turn, count as first stitch, start from the second back loop, 1, 2, between of them first and the last I will make half double crochet using back loop. Last stitch I will take both loops like that. Only one thing you need to be careful. For this pattern you need multiples of 8, so I crochet 48 rows like that. Chain 2 and turn, and using back loops. Last stitch take both loops. You can measure your head, turn all around, then you will keep repeat your rounds for this measurement, but be careful, multiples of 8. I complete and turn to you and I will tell you my pattern. I crochet my rib part. I give you measurement right now. It's 48 centimeter, not make tight, and it's equal to 19 inches. You can see that I crochet 48 rows because for this pattern I need multiples of 8. I get two sides together and insert into the first stitch both loops, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch. You can see here we have two loops this side, one loop this side. So I insert my front loop and take this opposite sides loop, grab my yarn and join with a slip stitch. Front loop, next loop, join with a slip stitch. I use front loop because I turn it to this side. I want to see this loop on the surface. I join with slip stitch. You can join with single crochet, it's your choice, or you can take both loops together. It's not so important. Take this front loop, look at that. I have here two loops. I insert front, I take all the loops, and last three stitch front and both loops together because last stitch. Turn back to this side. This is joining part. Look at that, it's so clear. Now I want to change my hook. I use 5mm hook on the rib part. I will take 6mm hook for the main body. 1 2 3 chains. I will make one row 2 double crochet. O zaman ne olur? 48. I will make one row 2 double, one row 1 double. Look at that. Insert here, make 1 double, next 1 double. When I see this post front side, I will make 2 double. When I see back, I make here 1 double. Here 2 double, 1, next 2. I see here back, I make here 1. I see here front, 1, and 2. I see here back, 1. Okay, I see here front side, make 2. I see here back side, make 1 double crochet. I turn all around like that. I complete and turn to you. Totally I have at the end 72 double crochet. I come to up with chain 3, not count that, insert into the first double stop and join with a slip stitch. Now chain 1 and not count again, yarn over, insert the bottom of that double crochet as front post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, make 2 front posts. It's important, this pattern you need multiples of 8. Okay, then 6 double crochet we will make back post, insert my hook back to front, then back, grab my yarn, pull through 2, pull through 2, 1 back post. This is 2, insert like that, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 2 front post, 6 back post. Then again insert my hook as front post, 1 and 2. Then again 6 back post, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then make 2 front post, 1 and 2. If video comes too fast, you can play video speed here, 3 dots. Okay. You will keep repeating 6 back post, 2 front post. I come to end and turn to you. I come to end with 6 back post, double crochet. You know, we start with front post, insert into the top of that first front post and join with a slip stitch. Chain 1 and not count, yarn over, take these two chain 1 and front post together and make front post on the front post. Then insert the next one as front post, make front post on the front post. Yarn over, make back post on the back post. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. When you come to the front post, insert the first one, 1, insert the second one, 2. You will keep repeating as same as until we will have nearly 18 centimeter with the brim part. I complete and turn to you after I will tell you how you can decrease and close your beanie. I complete and turn to you. I crocheted totally 13 rounds and it comes here, look at that, 18 centimeter and it's equal to nearly 7 inches. Now we start to decrease our beanie's top. Join with a slip stitch, again chain 1 and not count. I take this chain 1 and front post together. We don't touch these front posts. We make 2 front posts, double crochet. We start to decrease our beanie with our back posts. When I come to back post part, you know we have here 6. We decrease 6 to 4. Yarn over, insert the first back post, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second back post, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. First 2 double crochet, I crocheted together. Then this is 2 and this is 3. I left here 2 back posts and I crocheted them together again. Pull through 2, yarn over, insert the last 6th one, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. I decrease 6 to 4. Now I crochet again 2 front posts, 1 and 2. Then again insert the first one as back post, grab my yarn, pull through 2. Yarn over, insert the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. 2 and 3. Now left here 2, yarn over, insert the 5th one, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the 6th one. I crochet always back post, pull through 2. I have 3 loops, pull through all together. Decrease 6 to 4. Again come to front post, crochet 2 front post, double crochet. You will decrease like that, come to end and I will turn to you. I complete the first decreasing row, come to first front stop, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 not count, yarn over, take the chain 1 and front post, make front post, then insert into the next and make the second front post. We not touch them. Now we have here 4 stitch, we decrease it 2. So crochet first 2 stitch together, insert the first one, I take them together, insert like that, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, yarn over, insert the third one, pull through 2, insert the fourth one, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, I decrease 4 to 2, then crochet 2 front post, then crochet 2 stitch together, as front post I insert 1, yarn over, insert the second one, 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, 1, next one, 2, pull through all together, I decrease 4 to 2, I complete like that after turn 2. I complete, come to first stitch, join with a slip stitch, chain 1 and not count, yarn over, make my front posts, take chain 1 and front post together, 1 and 2. I crochet 2 front posts, I have 2 back posts here, I decrease it 1, insert the first one as back post, grab my yarn, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, I decrease it 1, 2 front post, and decrease 1, insert the first one, insert the second one, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. I complete like that and turn 2. I come to end, insert into the first front post and join with a slip stitch. Now we are on our last row. Chain 1 and not count. This time we decrease this 2 front post 1. Insert the first one, grab my yarn and pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, grab my yarn, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together, skip 1 back post, come to next front post, only crochet front posts and decrease them. Okay, skip back post, come to front post, pull through 2, yarn over, insert the second one, pull through 2, I have 3 loops, pull through all together. We will decrease top like that, skip back post, crochet 2 front posts together. I complete and turn 2. That's enough. I cut my yarn a little tail, lose my loop, a little one, and I insert my yarn these stitches and shrink my beanie's top. Insert that tail in that loop and shrink the top tightly, look at that, and take it to the inside, turn it here. You can use your beanie's reverse side actually, because it's beautiful too. Take my yarn inside and shrink again, then locked the top with these stitches. You can sew now, or you can lock it like me, one, and I locked my beanie's top. This is inside, you can see that it's so simple and I think so pretty and beautiful beanie. You can do that easily. I love it. It's so elastic, you can see that, and it's a perfect gift, I think. Hope you like and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.